Yo, what's happening? In this video, I'm gonna take you down to Denpasar. I'm gonna show you how to apply the the application, the Peduli Lindungi application when we entering the mall, when we go to the cinema, when we go to the restaurant, etc. Okay, and at the end of the day, I'm gonna also go to the beach to show you how it's Kuta Beach right now, today. So, stay with me and watch this video until the end. See, that's green. This is green. See here, because it's green, then I can get into the mall. We're gonna eat in Bakmi GM. Green. This normally is for 4 person. Now it only can be used for 2 person. You love it?
I am obsessed with it.
Now we're gonna enter the cinema. Hijau.
Follow me down.
The whole theater is Spider-Man. 6 theater, right?
Yes,
Six theater is all Spider-Man. We cannot sit here. The sign cannot be seated. So we just come out from the cinema. Pretty good. Now let's go to the Kuta. Hi guys. So that was the situation in the restaurant and also in the cinema. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you to all you guys who already sent me email to be part of my mailing list. So I will send you letters, or I will send you an email if there is any sudden changes regarding to condition in Ubud, condition in Bali, or the travel regulation to Bali. Now we are heading to the Kuta Beach. We'll see the condition in Kuta. So we are now in the Legian Street. We're heading to Kuta. Before the pandemic, Legian Street is never like this empty during Sunday in the afternoon. This is the condition of Legian Street right now, even in Sunday at 4:30. Kuta Beach, Sunday in the afternoon, look empty. I can't believe myself. Normally people walking here, very crowded. Look at here. Now there's a lot of food stall, street food stall. I mean, there are a lot of street food stall in Kuta. Let's start to get into Kuta Beach. Let's see what happened in Kuta Beach. This is it. This is Kuta Beach on Sunday, 4:30. For Sunday, this is still empty. I can say 90% is local. Hi guys. Okay. Now it's getting dark. Let's summarize what we've been through today. Okay, first, you know now how to go to the mall and to go to the restaurant, to go to the cinema nowadays in Bali. You have to do with the application. You have to scan the barcode and then, no sorry, it's not the barcode actually. So you have to scan the QR code and then if it's green then you can get it. To the mall, to the restaurant, etc. Okay, and also in the restaurant, in the cafe, you see the seating arrangement, you cannot sit together. Now table for 4 is only for 2 person. Also in the cinema, that's the condition when you watch a movie or go to the mall nowadays in Bali. Oh yeah, we also went to Kuta, and in Kuta Beach area, you see there's a lot of stores. It's closed now. Most of the restaurant is empty, but there's plenty street food stall now. I don't know, is it because of the trend of the tourists is different? I don't know. When we went to the beach, if you remember, most of the people there is local. Some of them is domestic tourists from either island, maybe from Java or etc. Some of them is local, maybe from different area in Bali. I think that's all for today because it's getting dark. After we ate in the Pizza Hut, we're gonna drive back to Ubud. And oh yeah, by the way, in Ubud, I almost forgot. In Ubud, we're still free to go into the restaurant. They don't apply the Peduli Lindungi apps yet. We still can go into the restaurant freely. But if you go to the bank in Ubud, yeah, you're required to do the scan. So before I close this, for those who haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss any update regarding how to travel to Bali, the condition in Bali now, etc. So that's all from now. My name is Okimisa. I'm your host in Bali. Until then, stay safe.